There's cookies. And then there's 7-layer cookies. 7 layers of absolute buttery heaven. If you're on a diet, I'd suggest clicking off this video. If you're not, welcome to a world of flavor. Let's talk components. 7 layers, 7 reasons to eat the whole tray alone. You'll need graham crackers, we're going to turn those into crumbs. A stick of butter, I've got that sitting in my fridge. Coconut flakes or butterscotch baking chips, white chocolate chips, and semi-sweet chocolate chips. And last but not least, sweetened condensed milk. Yes, you heard me right. This is liquid gold. Do not substitute this. This is going to make your 7-layer cookie perfect.
For the first step, you're going to crush your graham crackers into a fine powder. If you bought a big box of these, it'll take one of the 2 packages that came in it, depending on the size of your pan. Once the graham crackers are crushed, pour in a stick of melted butter. This will be the first layer of our cookies, and make sure you mix these together. Now get your baking pan. I'll be using a 9x13 inch. Now you're going to go ahead and line it with parchment paper or non-stick aluminum foil. Now pour your graham crackers into the bottom of your pan and form an even layer. If you don't have enough to cover the bottom, you can mix in some more graham crackers to make more. Now, the amount of each ingredient you add is ultimately up to you. I like to add a thin layer of coconut, and then add an even layer of each type of my chocolate chips. You can also add nuts, such as walnuts, if you'd like, but I won't be doing that today. Then I like to top it with a little more coconut, just for looks. And now, pour your sweetened condensed milk over the top and spread it as evenly as you can with a spoon. This will work its way down into the other ingredients and give you a super soft, gooey texture that'll hold everything together. Now it's time for the oven. Bake this at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Once it's done, it'll be a perfect golden brown just like mine. But now you can cut it up however you like. You can also store this in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a couple of days. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like and feel free to subscribe for future recipes just as good as this one. Thank you for watching.